G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Electric storms erupted once again today along the Great Dividing Range, some of them hurtling onward to the coast in the later hours. More storms tomorrow, with rainfalls expected to max out on Thursday, Friday, before contracting to the tropics on Saturday. Coastal temperatures hit the low 30s again today, and it is modulated by cloud, but in general the nights have been very warm. 25 at Ayr last night, 26 at Bowen, 27 in Townsville. Now let's look at the latest satellite loop. You can see once again most of Queensland's covered in some kind of cloud. We're actually starting to get thickening rain cloud now developing in the south, but at this stage the storms have been mainly through the Wide Bay and Capricornia. Some warnings were issued this afternoon. And the inland tropics on the Atherton Tableland have had some quite decent cells around Herberton right through Mareeba. And of course the gaps missing are going to fill out pretty quickly as well, especially tomorrow. So now let's have a look at today's chart. You can see this humid northerly air mass is starting to take over Queensland. All this air here on the northern side of that trough has basically been dragged all the way down from the equator, and it's going to stay there for a few more days. And in that air mass, north of the trough, we're getting random storms just popping up out of nowhere and showers where there aren't storms. Tomorrow's chart, it doesn't look too much different. You've still got that northerly wind starting to freshen inland, getting hotter. On the outlook chart, this is probably the rainiest day, and eventually that trough and front will contract north and dry things out for the weekend. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Townsville waters: northerly winds 10 to 15 knots tomorrow, tending north-northwesterly on Thursday, Friday, but never more than 15 knots. Tomorrow's first tide will be a morning low, followed by a modest high tide around lunchtime or just after. Only a narrow swing with the moon reaching first quarter on Thursday. The Herberton and Lower Burdekin, showers with possible thunderstorms tomorrow. Townsville 25 to 32 degrees, 32 also for Ayr. For Ingham it's 33. Northern Goldfields and Upper Flinders, again showers and possible thunderstorms. Charters Towers 33 degrees, hot night. 35 the top for Georgetown. Looking ahead for Townsville, the heaviest rain will fall on Friday ahead of a dry clearing change on Sunday, cooling down ever so slightly next week, not so much in the day, mainly at night. And that's another day crossed off the weather calendar. Plenty happening this week, so stay tuned for more weather each evening at this same time. Some beautiful rain falling on our thirstiest pastures right now, so it's a cause to celebrate. Back to the team.
Great, thanks for that, Livio. And that's all from us for this Tuesday. Thanks for your company. And
of course, anything you'd like to watch again, you can catch up on our 7plus app or our page, 7news.com.au. See you tomorrow night. Good night.
Good night.